Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter web application of class 10th. So today we will cover a new topic, that is blog. So let's begin with the introduction of blog. A blog is a combination of the words web log. The term blog refers to online diary. The person who writes a blog is called a blogger. It is used to create personal web pages by non-technical and technical users. Users can easily share their comments, thoughts, and convey messages about events, news, etc. Let's see some of the popular websites that offer free blog services to us, such as blogger.com, wordpress.com, tumblr.com, and weebly.com. So let's understand for creating a blog using wordpress.com. For this we will use the following steps. First, open the web browser, type the www.wordpress.com. After that, a new page with different fields opens up on the screen, such as blog address. So blog address is the address which other users will use to view your blog. Username, it is used to manage your blog. Password, it is used to secure your blog account. Email address, when your blog account is created, an activation link will be sent to your email address from wordpress.com. So you should provide valid email address. And language, choose your own language from the list given for blogging. After providing all the required details, click the create blog option. Now open your email and check for the link to activate your blog account. Click the activation link, your blog account will be activated and the WordPress blog account page will be displayed on your screen. Now the blog is ready to use. So for using all these steps, you can create a blog account using wordpress.com. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's understand about offline blog editors. An offline blog editor is a tool to create blog posts without an internet connection. Some of the popular offline blog editors are Windows Live Writer, Cumana, Blogdesk, and Blogjet. So let's understand how can we create an offline blog account using Windows Live Writer. For this we will use the following steps. First, install an offline blog editors like Windows Live Writer. After installing, start the Windows Live Writer with the following steps. First, click on the Start button. After that, click on the All Programs. After that, click on the Windows Live option. And at last, click on the Windows Live Writer option. Windows Live Writer dialog box will be appear asking to configure Windows Live Writer. Click on the Next button. Then the next dialog box will ask you to add a blog account. In this, enter your wordpress.com blog address, enter your username of WordPress account, enter your password of WordPress account and click on the next button. Then select your blog type by clicking on the drop down type of blog that you are using and then click on the next button. After your blog has been set up, a dialog box confirming your blog has been set up appears. Edit the nickname for your blog and then click on the finish button. When the configuration process will be completed, the Windows Live Writer will ready to use. So for using all these steps, you can create an offline blog account using wordpress.com. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.